Hi everyone, in this video, I will introduce you how to create a Zimbra VM on a Microsoft Hyper-V server. I created a PowerShell script to deploy the Zimbra mail server automatically. You can get my script on the GitHub repository below video description. Let's take a look at that script. There are some configurable arguments. First, it is SSH path. It contains the SSH public key of the Hyper-V server and other machines that will connect to mail server by using SSH connections. Next, virtual switch and NAT network for Zimbra VM. These are the hardware resources for VM. Depend on the physical hardware of your server. You can modify these values, but it should follow Zimbra's requirements. You can set the IP subnet of Zimbra network here. This is the list of MAC addresses and fully qualified domain name. We can create maximum 4 VMs with this configuration. Now, let's create sshkeys file. It contains SSH key of server and my Windows laptop. I will show you how to get SSH public key of Hyper-V server, then SSH key of Windows client. Please view my previous video to see all steps to generate and get SSH key. On Windows client, run PowerShell as administrator, then move to the folder containing PowerShell script. First, we run command get image to download the based image for VM. Next, create an ISO file. It will be saved in user documents folder. Perfect. Open Windows Admin Center, then uploads ISO file, PowerShell script, and SSH keys to Hyper-V server. Start PowerShell. Run command get image to download based image. Next, run deploy network. It will create virtual switch and NAT network for Zimbra VM. Add Zimbra VM to Hyper-V hosts file. Now, create Zimbra VM. You can see in Hyper-V Manager, it's running. Please wait a few minutes. It needs to install some packages. This is the configs to install tools and scripts for Zimbra VM in my PowerShell script. Run command start Zimbra VM to install and configure Zimbra. It will take a long time. Please wait. Perfect, the installation is successful. Next, we add some static mapping to access mail server. For testing purposes, I only using HTTP, HTTPS and port 7017 to access webmail and admin dashboard. On your Windows laptop, you can access to Zimbra webmail by using local IP of Hyper-V server. In production, you should find another method to access the mail server. For example, using reverse proxy or using an external virtual switch in Hyper-V server. After that, you have to do a lot of configs like add MX record, PTR record unreal a domain, add SSL certificate, enabling domain key identified mail, and so on. Because we already add a Windows client SSH key to Zimbra VM, so you can connect to mail server then do those tasks. If possible, I will show you how to do in another video. That's all. Thank for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.